Yeah. Give me money.
Oh, someday if I have money too much, I give you 50 only 50.
50 pesos or American
$50, $50.
Alright.
You
You're gonna give him share?
you from where specific place in America?
Bakla.
Bakla.
Yeah.
Ah, okay, you Bakla. This is my friend from USA, Bakla.
Hey, man.
Huh?
You
Hey man. Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, my friend. Okay,
the jungle. What?
jungle.
Yeah.
Yes, jungle.
Yeah.
Okay, enjoy your vacation and safe, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
Just pray to God because hurricane is very danger.
Huh?
Hurricane is very danger.
No.
What?
Trump. Donald Trump.
Trump, congrats Trump.
He's gonna make it okay. Donald
Okay.
Trump is gonna make it okay.
Too much work. Trump, too much work.
Too much money.
And too much half tax. Dolphin. Yeah. Mermaid. Surprise. Congrats congrats. Trump oy. Bagong gising. Ayan. Ayan guys, ito yung mga malapit sa aming pinapasukan yan ng mga truck dyan, yung mga barko at saka ito yung pier dito sa pinupuntahan namin sa Luciana Pier. Dito sa Yazay. Yan ang mga kasama ko guys kasi masaya na kami kasi nandito na kami sa tabi at safe ang aming pag-travel. Malakas yung alon. Kami natutulog guys para umiiwas sa suka. Huwag susuko, basta huwag lang susuka. Guys, may ibang mga kasama ko, mga ibang lahi. Yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Daisy Freeman guys. Ini-announce ang aming company na mag-declare na mag-evacuate kasi delikado ang area. Yan guys, ang mga depo, staka ng mga oil dito sa Luciana. Okay guys, this is DJ Freeman Vlog. Mabuhay.